Hello there, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks. And this is the Tech Travel Geeks unboxing video for the Amazfit Neo, a retro-looking smartwatch which has quite a few smarts behind it. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. Right then, so the Amazfit Neo was on offer on Amazon, and I've always had my eye on this because it's a retro smartwatch that has quite a few features of bigger, more important smartwatches. So let's see what the packaging is like, let's take it out of the box, see what's in the box, and then in a follow-up video we'll walk through the setup and provide you with some first impressions. So, the packaging is quite simple. It has some details about what the product is like and what the main features are. And one of the first ones that we see is PAI, the PAI score. And this is something we saw on the Zepp smartwatch late last year, the smartwatch that I've been using since August last year, and I find really quite good. On the side, you'll also see some other features that the device has, such as heart rate monitoring, sleep monitoring, an always-on display, 28-day battery life, and 5 atmosphere water resistance. And there's a few more details here, including the fact that this uses Bluetooth 5 to connect to your smartphone. Right then, let's just open the packaging. It's simple access. No need to use my jerry-rig everything knife for the unboxing. And let's see what's inside. Now, very little plastic here. There's no plastic on the outside of the thing, and it all seems to be cardboard on the inside, which is good for the environment and potentially the biodegradability of everything. So here we have a user manual, which I'm sure we'll read to its full extent. In here we have what I believe is a cable. Let's open it up and see what type of cable it is. So this is a proprietary connector. So it's USB type A at one end, and then it's a proprietary connector for the Amazfit Neo. So bad news, you won't be able to just take your normal phone charger on your travels with you to charge your watch. You might need to carry this separate charger. As far as smartwatch connectors go, this is pretty chunky, but I'm sure there's good reasoning for it. And we'll have to put that through its paces in the next video where we go through the overall setup. But for now, let's focus on the watch itself. I'll discard the packaging because we don't need that at the moment. And there is some plastic here to keep the watch safe. First thing that stands out, even through the plastic wrapping, is that orange color or red color. I'm quite fond of that. I chose this over the sort of military green or black just because it looks fun. So it's a slightly darker shade of orange than I was expecting, but still pretty cool. So the watch strap is plastic, unapologetically. It has lots of different rings so that you can adjust the wrist strap as much as you like. It's quite flexible in that respect, and it's surprisingly light. So you can see the screen here. This is a sort of old style LCD or e-ink display. There is a little indicator for your activity and battery life, and then there is a separate one for all the other details. Now, there's 4 buttons here, one for back, one for select, one for up, one for down. I will need to put this on charge before we actually get to see the screen, so I'll do that separately before our next video, where we go through the overall setup and walk you through the main features and software, and more importantly, the Amazfit app that you use to sync to your phone. There's some really nice little detailing of the Amazfit brand here on the side of the device. You can just see that once the autofocus on my Sony camera kicks in. That's really quite cool. And then the back is black plastic with its little sensor. So this Amazfit smartwatch does heart rate monitoring, and I believe it does SpO2 levels, so the oxygenation levels in your blood. And there's a few more details around the regulatory details around the side, but you can see where the connector goes in, so it's quite clever. Is it? So I believe it goes this way. So yes, it clips on. So the two clips go in between the buttons on the side, like that. And the connector connects to the two pogo pins beside the sensors to charge, which is great. It seems to work quite well. As far as I can tell, oh, it is magnetic. So as well as having the clip on the hardware on the sides, it's magnetic as well, so it gets the pogo pins in place as expected. And there you have it. So it's not exactly a G-Shock, but it is clearly inspired by that, and it has that retro look for a smartwatch. So I'm looking forward to setting this up and putting it through its paces. For now, I think we'll wrap up this video. You've seen the unboxing, you've seen what's in the box, and what sort of literature comes with it. It's a very quick setup user guide. In the next video, we'll be setting this up afresh with the Amazfit app on my Google Pixel 5. But for now, thanks for watching, and speak to you soon.